My project for today is setting a propane tank that will end up running this Cummins generator. Generator's over here. The propane tank, if you look straight ahead, right where my finger is, there's a bench. That's where we're going to set the propane tank, and this is what the propane tank looks like. We're going to go get a backhoe and get started on this project. This is what we're going to use as a base. It's like pea gravel with some sand mixed. Our plan to get the tank over here, we're going to pull the backhoe in, run over a few flowers, and dump the stone. What we're doing here is filling up some buckets with some of the sandstone mix. There's a trench along the side of the house where this yellow propane line is laying in, so I'm just using some of this stone to backfill the trench. All right, we have the pad level and compacted. The propane tank came with these green plastic footings to go underneath the feet on the tank. So right here, we're just using a level and making sure that these green pads are sitting level and they're in the same plane. So when the tank sits on there, the tank will be sitting level also. Change their crisscross. When he picks it up, it should spin at 180 degrees. Yep, now we're going to tighten it up. Come down. You'll swing it. You good? You got it. I don't think so. It's going to be real close, but I don't think you're going to hit. We got her set. We had to do a re-rig off the back of the bucket. We just didn't have enough reach from the driveway. We were trying to disturb as little of this as possible, so we had to re-rig it, and we got her set. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.